possible I be allowed to accompany you? What do you have to say? Very good. A big round of applause. So whenever you are going to any pilgrimage, you know, especially India जाना पड़ेगा ना, हरिद्वार जाओगे, वैष्णो देवी जाओगे, कहीं पे भी, क्योंकि वो तो मॉरिशस में बॉर्न हुई है, तो उसको तो वीज़ा दिलाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना? हाँ, तो उसके बाद उसको साथ लेके जाना है, ठीक है ना? सेकंड वन शी सिंग हव्य प्रदाने रमणान पितृश्च कव्य प्रदाने यदि पूजे यथा वामांगमायामि तदा तदीयम जगात कन्या वचनम द्वितीयम शी सिंग इफ एट एनी टाइम योर डिजायर to serve, to honor your family or your ancestors, I ask you to invite me to participate in these activities. Very good. Again, big hand. So whenever you are doing anything with your family, so she should be equally participating. Now third one, kutumba raksha bharanam yaditum kuryapa shunam paripalanam chavamangamayami tada tadiyam jagata kanyavachanam tritiyam. She's saying, respect my parents as your own. If at any time my parents face dishonor, poverty or illness, you as my husband are expected to render assistance to relieve their distress. What do you have to say? So as I said earlier, you have now two sets of parents, so you have to give them full love, full respect. And fourth one, little tough one, but you have to say yes. Om ayavyayo dhanadhan or ayavyayo dhanya dhanadikanam prishtava nivesham chagrahe nidadhyavangam Vamam gamayami tadatadiyam jagat kanyavachanam chaturtham. She's saying, if you have to lend, borrow or make any substantial gift or purchase, I ask that you do so after consulting me so that our wishes may in accord. So whenever you are buying any big thing, like a big land or a expensive condominium or very, very expensive car or investing in, Bitcoins, so you have to take her permission also, okay? So you have to do it together. Sahil, तुम करते हो? सलाह लेते हो? पत्नी जी से? 100%. But this not include Dollarama or Walmart or Costco. There you can go anytime, But when you never, बेटे अब पता चलेगा दाल आटे का भाव ना, आटे और चावल क्या नमक और आटे का और नमक का भाव पता चलेगा, है ना? अब करनी पड़ेगी ग्रोसरी, है ना? दिव्या, you know how to cook? आटे और दाल का भाव, हाँ. You know how to cook? Indian food, Mauritian food, fusion food है, but not confusion है. Yeah, so make nice. Next one, देवालय आराम तडांगा कूपा वापिर्विदध्यायति पूजे ये था वामांगमायामि तदा तदीयम जगात कन्यावचनम च पंचमम. She's saying, if at any time you desire to serve our community, I ask that I also be allowed in this noble endeavor. Very good. Big round of applause. Next one, for all your friends. Deshantare va swapurantare va Yadavidadhya karvakrotam vamangamayami tada tadiyam jagat kanyavachanam chashashtam. She's saying, if at any time you have to leave to go away on business or on pleasure, I ask that you do so only after obtaining my consent and only after ensuring my welfare at home is secure. Very good. So no more day out with boys, okay? So whenever you are going anywhere, you have to take her with you. और क्या कह रहे हो उसको? नहीं, ये अकेले नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है? So Divya, you have to go with him. If you don't listen, call your parents or call me, okay? Yeah. So then I will fix him. So lastly, she's saying, Nasevaniya yadiparkiya toya bhavesmin khalu kaminiti vamangamayami tada tadiyam jagat kanyavachanam cha saptamam. She's saying, do not allow the remarks or action of any unworthy person to dishonor me or to cause misunderstanding between both of us. What do you have to say? Very good. Please give him a big round of applause. He accepted all these beautiful vows. And now, Divyesh has to say something. And Divya, you have to listen carefully. And then you have to say yes very, very loud. He's saying, Madhiya chitta nugatam chachittam sadamadagya paripalanam chevam pativrata dharma parayanantam kurya sada sarvamidam prayatnam. He's saying, bring honor to our home, conduct yourself in society and at home such that it may never bring disgrace to our honored family. Respect my parents as your own. Serve them with love and affection and accept their love as you would that of your parents. Raise our children in righteous way and teach them our culture and traditions. Lastly, he is saying, do not get angry if there is some mistakes made by me while trying my best to fulfill my duties. So Divya, you have to say
yes.
Very good. Since they accepted each other's vows, they can switch sides. So now Devesh is touching Divya's heart, and Devesh, you have to repeat after me. Om mamvate te hridam dadami mamma chitta manu chittam te astu mama vacham ekmana jushasvah prajapatištva nyunaktu mahyam maha. Say, I take your heart into my life. May your mind follow mine. May you listen to my voice attentively and lovingly, because God has given me to you, you to me, to live together forever. Haath hatalo. Very good. So we are almost there. They have to do Sindurdan and Mangal Sutra, then they have to sign the legal documents also. And for that, Divya said your sister. So sister, Divya's sister, Riya. Vishesh. Vishesh means special. So Vishesh, you have to come Visheshtaha to sign the paper. Okay. Big round of applause to Vishesh. But he already got married, you know. So no chance for all these young girls. Eh? Vishesh, Aja. He's already taken. सुमंगलरियं वज्रमां समेत पश्यत् सौभाग्यमस्मै रत्वा यात्रा संयुक्ते ओम महा सूत्र तत् चक्षुर्देवैतं पुरस्ता शुक्रमुच्यत पश्येम शरदा शतं जीवेम शरदा शतं शृणुयाम शरदा शतं प्रभवाम शरदा शतं अदीनः श्याम शरदा शतं भूयश्च शरदा शतातः। Good job. They have to feed each other with very big piece of बर्फी। कोई भी ले लो, आदि तोड़ लो बेटे, इसको पूरा देना है, ठीक है ना, फुल पीस खा लो। Together they can take nice pictures. देवेश अच्छी है, और पानी। Okay, so now just join your hands, and we still have sun in the west horizon. So you are taking the blessings from Surya Narayan Bhagwan. Sun is shining upon us for millions of years. So we are saying, hey Surya Narayan Bhagwan, always give us inspiration, so every day we can do something good for each other, for our families, and every day we have a lot of energy. Om Vishwani Dev Saviturdurithani Parasuyad Bhadram Tannayasuva. Om Shri Suryaye Namah, Shri Bhaskaraye Namah, Om Shri Divakaraye Namah. Bolo Surya Narayan Bhagwan ki Jai. So while we are signing the paper, Sahil will entertain you for next 2 minutes. Thank you.